All right, this is the jumble mess I'm in. I'm undoing different levels of utter stupidity and ignorance of airflow, a little at a time over the years at this one location. Caused so much money loss in productivity, so much money loss for the place, and constant repairs and maintenance and things burning out, giving out, wearing out. The individuals who created this nightmare mess, and most of this is actually not fixed. Most of this has been jerry-rigged to be better than what it was. A lot of these connections you see right here, they used the entire box, never cut it, and just left it all slinky and curled, and most of it was undersized. So this is getting on the other side of this beam right here. This is like a little over 3 feet of beam height going all the way up. That's the other side of the member right there. And that was a big abortion over there, where all that ducting was. And this is what we're trying to connect here, right there. Put a damper here. This is just another tweak and a modification of one hell of a mess. Gotta be on your knees here. Go under all this stuff.